Hand me that toy, man. This is a place of business, not a place for Jelly Man toys.
This was a vintage gift.
I like the idea of like him pulling him back towards him.
Are you getting unraveled? Like,
I was getting unraveled.
Yeah. Kick him, boom, boom. I'm just trying to do my job.
Okay, I see.
Just want to do my job!
Right.
It's 1:30. We got a half hour. Let's do this before lunch.
Okay, lock it up for rehearsal.
Should I try jumping out here?
Just jump in there, just feel it, just do it slightly, just like this. Don't anticipate it.
All right.
Okay?
All right, should we just go for one?
Yes, I think we should.
All right. So, guys, do replace the walls quickly as possible. In the meantime, let's have the handheld camera up top.
Action! Stop fiddling with sweets and little men! I'm trying to do my job! Nice.
And then this next piece here, what's important is that we get all of the street activity practically, and like.
Yeah,
So he's going down, and there's going to be the traffic coming out, cross traffic.
Yes.
And you're into the...
It's a hard shot. There's no doubt about it. It's a hard shot.
Everyone at once. Lock it up, please. Watch back! Chuck back it up!
Bang!
You'll find you watching, but you can't do anything when you're standing here. So can everyone please turn around and back up down the sidewalk safely and get out of the street? Rehearsal's up next.
I'll do 3, 2, 1,
Not 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
And I go on go, not
Yep, first turn. Cut. Go!
I need a little more slack.
Little slack on Ben, guys.
Is anyone not ready? Pictures up. And rolling, rolling. That's the cut. Thank you.
Good to go? Okay, here we go.